how you doing today? I have not had a video for a little while because I don't know if you remember my last video on July 4th. I told you about being in a boot for a little bit, and I'm still gonna be in the boot for another 3 weeks, and it has just had me in a funk, and I don't know how else to describe it. I've just been feeling funky, and I think y'all can relate because everybody's been there, and sometimes you're just in a funk and I don't feel like putting on makeup and I don't feel like being bubbly and sociable, and I haven't been super productive, and my apologies. I have not been around here for you, but today I am making just a super quick video to tell you that I have winners for you. Remember a few weeks ago, I guess it was about a month ago, I did a video where I told you about my skincare regimen for, I guess it's now been about 4 months, and Metrin Skincare is the line, and they offered a contest for 4 winners. All you had to do was leave a comment on their Facebook page or their Instagram page or my YouTube channel. Just leave a comment saying what timeless beauty means to you. So all of these people wrote these wonderful, amazing messages about what timeless beauty means to them. And when they asked me to select a winner, I felt a bit overwhelmed. And I said, you know what? Would you guys please select the winners for me? Because you've got access to your full Facebook page and your full Facebook, Instagram page, and I don't. And I just wanted to make sure that everything was exactly, they're the ones giving it away, so I thought they should pick the winners. So today, I'm here to announce the winners. I will need glasses for this. So the YouTube winners are Laura Farnham, Mom's Coffee 2. Facebook winner was Robin McKay Fox. And the Instagram winner is Liz Kane. So here are the winners. Now I have to tell you that I got a really, really big kick out of this list of winners, because this one right here, Liz Kane, will never win anything on my channel. If I pick the winner, she won't be able to win because, hi honey, I'm in the middle of a video. So I was really excited to see that they picked Liz Kane as a winner, because I will never pick Liz Kane as a winner because Liz Kane is one of my best friends. So I want to be completely open and honest and let you know, should you ever read in the comments anything from Liz to me or me to Liz, you'll know that we're really, really good friends. And I did not pick her, and I am so excited to be able to give a gift to one of my best friends, because it is also her birthday in a couple of days. So this was a really, really big treat for me to see. But it's also a big treat for me to tell Robin and Mom's Coffee 2 and Laura. So everyone, those are the big winners, and super excited to be able to announce that. Also want to tell you about Metrin Skincare. They are going to have a promo for 20% off. I will drop all of the details down below. That's for a limited time, July 17 to August 24. So I will drop all that information down below for you, how you can get 20% off Metrin Skincare for yourself. Please look at my videos for the last few months. You can see what my skin looks like. I have been using Metrin Skincare for several months, and I'm very pleased with how it's normalized my skin. I don't have the dry patches and the oily patches. It all just seems to be the same. So very pleased about that. And we're going to get to some more videos soon where you're going to get to see some familiar set dressing. I got a little creative in my off time and brought the chandelier back, and I'll tell you more about where you can find that in an upcoming video. But today is all about Metrin Skincare winners. I love you bunches, and I will talk to you very soon. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. If all the winners could please send me their legal name, shipping address, email, and phone number so that I can forward everything to Metrin Skincare. My email address is my name, Monique Parent, @mac.com. Congratulations, and look forward to getting great skin.